Master's in University with a specialization of internal combustion engineering in year 2005. His doctoral work after many research work has been attributed to him in the year 2017, which he specialized in mechanical engineering specific to internal combustion engines. To say very particularly about the CFD, there is computational fluid dynamic aspect of his research. His role is very phenomenal in getting out the characteristics of the fuel as it is coming out from the supply spots. He has also worked on the alternative fuel by blended fuels in various combinations. And he has worked on the conventional IC engines as well as the modern IC engines, published a huge number of papers. So in a nutshell, we can tell Dr. Raghu's contribution to the engineering related to thermal and heat transfer is very immense, and I warmly welcome you, sir.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
You can take over the session, sir.
Sir, my voice is audible, sir. So my voice is audible. So my voice is audible, sir.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir. Audible, sir.
So thank you, sir. Thank you for your introduction about myself. Good afternoon, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming over and accepting our invitation and sticking to the time schedule, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
So good afternoon. One and all present in this online FDP. And I'm going to share my experience in this the spray parameters of biodiesel, wherein I have did my both PG and PhD work on the spray parameters of biodiesel. So I'm going to share my experimental simulation and also the experimental work what I carried out. So the spray parameters of biodiesel. First, I thank the organizer for giving this opportunity to share my work. So thank you, sir. Shall I start, sir?
Yes, sir. With all pleasure.
Okay. So there are several alternative fuels in the engine we are using. Say for example, edible oil and inedible oil. So we can also use LPG, CNG, gaseous fuel, and also liquid fuel. Among this, the vegetable oil or fuel became a renewable or widely suitable, available, and it is biodegradable and non-hazardous. And if we take up vegetable oil, it has good ignition characteristics such as high viscosity and low volatility of the vegetable oil. So you can easily used in a diesel engine without any problem. The only problem is carbon deposits or maybe piston ring sticking or incomplete combustion. These are few problems to use vegetable oil as a biofuel. And a biodiesel is a clean burn alternative fuel produced from either from domestic or renewable sources, are more efficient to produce and use than gasoline. The brief about the alternative fuel and the advantages of biodiesel.
Excuse me, sir. The slide is not visible right now, but when you tried 10 minutes ago, it was showing. Can you?
It's not visible, sir.
The slides are not presented right now, sir. Slide presentation is stopped.
Once again, now, sir. So now.
It's not coming up, sir.
One second, sir.
Yes,
sir. Sir, presentation problem. So now it's visible, sir?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir. If you maximize, it will be good. Yes, sir.
Okay. So sorry, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Nothing.
So there are various alternative fuels is in the market. So in that we can use vegetable oil also and edible and inedible oil. Is if we use vegetable oil as a fuel means there may be a carbon deposit or piston sticking or incomplete combustion also occur if you use edible oil as a alternative fuels. So these alternative fuels can be used than gasoline fuel. This is a thing I discussed in the last slide. The combination of this, the advantages of using biodiesel are portability, easy availability, and higher combustion efficiency and high serial number. The demerits of using biodiesel as higher viscosity, low energy content, and high power point, and NOx emissions. So implementation of this biodiesel in India leads to many benefits like green cover to wasteland and support agriculture and improve the country economy and decrease the emission. So there has been renewed interest in the use of vegetable oil for making biodiesel use due to less polluting and renewable nature compared to diesel fuel. So these are the things we went for in biodiesel. And then we talk about spray automation. The liquid automation is one of the research topic in that both academic and also industrial world because it's attachments from the fundamental applied perspective. Say for example, if you have automation, the automation is nothing but converting liquid into fine droplets. So this is our spray parameters. This degree of automation depend on degree of automation, liquid fuels such as properties such as density, viscosity, surface tension, and also the medium in which the fuel injected. So the automation depend on the size of the injector, properties of fuel, and then the medium which you are going to inject it. So these three things you should take into account if you go for a spray automation. And the application of automation includes inkjet printer, biomedical field, and also IC engines, and also gasoline engine. These areas, the automation plays a vital role. And diesel engine and gas turbine is particularly require formation of very fine droplet. So there's increase in surface to mass ratio. If you increase S by M ratio, you achieve small fine droplet can be achieved. So it aims to have the better combustion. So the increasing number of alternative fuels leads to increase in interest among research to study spray using optical method. So this alternative technique, so we can go for spray characteristic optimization method. For diesel fuel, the emission levels can reduce by enhancing spray parameters. So if you have good spray parameters and air fuel ratio, good quality of air A by F ratio, depend on the fuel injection to combustion chamber. So if you have better spray and better A by F ratio means the fuel injection will be better. So the importance of spray. So their spray parameters is a vital role in combustion process, performance, and also emission. So the spray affects both three criteria. And the fuel spray is an important parameter to be studied to ensure complete combustion. So whenever we want to do complete combustion, the spray is a very important parameter. And also combustion parameters depend on nature of the spray obtained from fuel injection system. So better the fuel injection system, the spray will be good. To reduce emissions and achieve good efficiency, we can study this spray parameter. So the main thing why we concentrate on spray parameter means to reduce emissions and achieve performance. The smaller direct sources, that is smaller size particle, larger spread area. These two things you should consider in mind if you are going to study about spray parameters means size of the droplet and spread area are considered as an important parameter to enhance the combustion efficiency. Apart from this, fuel penetration length, we can call liquid penetration length, is very useful to determine the geometric size of the high-speed engine. So if you want to design the engine size based on diameter and stroke length, the penetration length play a vital role. So it is important to study the liquid penetration of fuel in a diesel engine using sophisticated and complex measurement techniques. So why we study spray means to have